Hello there, this is Shauna, the other partner of Decent Essentials. You usually hear from my sister Tanya a lot, also known as TBJ. I am now opening for the first time a new soap cutter I purchased recently that's going to help me out with the, cutting my soaps nice and even, making them all 1 inch apiece, and I'll make them nice and thick. So here we go. I'm getting ready to open this bad boy, see what it looks like. Let's see. I'm excited because I've never really had a soap cutter before. I usually do it by hand, So this is going to be fun. Ooh, okay. Let's see what it looks like over here. Got the little piece of paper. Okay, yep. It's a soap loaf slicer. Try and say that 5 times fast. Soap loaf slicer. Okay, that's that. Put that down. Wow, they put it in yet another box. Okay, well, let's try this one. I guess just making sure it's doubly protected. Here we go with this and that. And on this side. Alright. Ooh, now the big reveal. Let's see what this looks like. Got all the nice foam insulation. Ooh, okay. Take all the foam out. I like the way they packaged it. This was really good. This came from candlesandSupplies.com. Very reputable company. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's get some of that stuff out of it. There you are. Get the little styrofoam out. There. Wow, that is really nice. Whoops. Get that styrofoam out of there. Alright. Got 2 knives to go with it. Let me put this down. Alright. Ooh, got 2 brand new blades too to cut with. Gotta be careful, I'm not trying to cut myself in the process. There we go. Look at here, look at here. Nice little shiny blade to cut my soaps with. Nice. Ooh. I got one that has the ridges on it too. I like that. Yeah, these form the little ridges on the soaps. Make them all fancy dancy. Like the mystery soap that we did recently, but now it's called Mango Mambo. Congratulations. I hope she doesn't mind me saying her name, but her name is Nancy Mesa. She won the Name the Mystery Soap contest. Hooray for her. Woo! Yay! So she'll be getting a free bar of the soap. Let me get this styrofoam out of here. There we go. So this is what it looks like. And you can see the lines on the side here. So that, let me take it out here and use it as an example. So when I create a bar of soap, I can slide the soap right in the bar and start cutting. Aim it straight down like that. Nice and even. Boom. Like that. Oh, I like this. This was a great investment. So I'm looking forward to using this. This is excellent. I am so happy about this. Yay! This is definitely a good thumbs up here. I like this. So there's the big reveal. A beautiful soap cutter. And I'm looking forward to using it. Looking forward to giving you guys some fantastic soaps. Take care. From Decent Essentials, this is Shauna signing off.